Hi, good morning, guys. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Oh, thanks, Sandesh, for confirmation. Okay,
Thank
so
you.
welcome to the demo class for full stack data science and Gen and Agentic AI, guys. Okay, I am your trainer. Okay, my name is Syed Ayub Ahemed, and I'll be conducting the demos for full stack data science course. Okay, with DURGASOFT solutions. Okay. Yeah. So before we begin for the demo, guys, as this is the first class for you guys, I suppose, right? Naveen
Yes, sir.
and
Yeah.
Jagdish.
Yeah, this is first class. Yesterday I haven't attended, sir. So I don't know what is the impact from that yesterday's class.
All right, all right. I'll try to cover a few points, okay, and then we'll move for the further things as well. Naveen, you're also joining for the first time, right? Can you hear me, Naveen? Are you there? You can write it in chat if you are unable to unmute. That's fine. Okay. So a little background on myself, guys. Okay, before proceeding, just give me 1 minute. Good morning, guys. Hope you all can see the screen.
Yes.
Oh. So a little background on myself, guys. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, my name is Syed Ayub Ahmed. You know, for full stack data science and generative and agentic AI course. Okay, with DURGASOFT solutions. Okay. Coming to the experience background, okay, I'm having 30 plus years of experience That includes development as mentoring. Okay. Uh, as per the experience so I have been like managing, processing, and analyzing large amounts of data, business data, you can say. So that also is included actually in my experience base. Okay, and I am having the experience in big data technologies as well. Okay? Data science, data management, BI technologies. Okay, like Power BI, Tableau, machine learning, deep learning, Gen AI. So generative AI, most people call it. Okay, and it is part of AI MPS. Okay, generative AI. And I have expertise in prompt engineering as well. Okay, artificial intelligence, agentic AI, to name a few. All right. Yeah, and I have my degree from Great Lakes actually. Okay, in data science and business analytics. Okay, that is affiliated to UT Austin actually. Yeah. I have been part of DURGASOFT for some time. Okay. I have like provided training and mentoring for other participants and students as well. Okay. I have trained students at different institutes as well. Okay. Other than DURGASOFT. Corporate training as well. Okay. For EY. Okay. And Tata Steel, to name a few. Okay. So this is about myself, guys. Okay. So a little introduction on like the technologies that I've worked and expertise, tools that I've had. Business analytics, data analytics also I have expertise in. Before proceeding ahead, guys, any questions you have, guys, for the session or any doubts you have, you can ask me. Anyone?
Sir, one question, sir. So, as I
Yeah.
haven't attended yesterday, right, sir, so will there be any impact,
No,
or do I have to
like
wait
I
for
have
this?
just covered the basics, okay, what I have discussed yesterday. Okay, data
Okay.
science, and then we'll try to base session as well. Okay, demo session.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Dinesh. What
Yes,
about
sir.
Prasad and Naveen? Do you guys have any questions before we proceed with the demo? Prasad and Naveen, are you able to hear me? Confirm this. Are you there, guys? Prasad and Naveen? Just confirm this so that we can start for the demo. Okay. You can message in the chat. That's fine, guys. If you are unable to mute or unmute, right? Fine. So I'll first walk you through the course content. Okay, what we have as part of DurgaSoft solutions. Okay, so this is for full stack guys. Okay, full stack data science with generative AI. Okay, and agentic AI as well. So batch will start possibly this weekend. And it will be at morning 11 actually. Okay. Yeah. So on weekends it will be there, guys. Okay. This is the demo class, right? So you need to have a few more demo classes to understand. Okay. With one attempt, it will not be possible to uh, understand and get a hold, okay, of the terminologies and all. So you have to attend, and these are free of cost. These are free demos. So it will be good if you attend. Okay, it will be very helpful in terms of knowing the course, okay, knowledge as well. So it will be the batch once the demos are done, right? So your batches timings will be from 7 to 3, sorry, 7 to 10, okay, in the morning. Only on weekends I'm taking, okay. And as I've walked you through the experience, okay, I have 13 plus years of experience, and duration is 4 months, guys, okay, for this course, full stack data science with generative AI and agentic AI. And you know the venue, right? DurgaSoft Solutions. Okay, it is located in Maitri-1 Ameerpet. Okay, popular spot for IT professionals and students who want to get into the IT and all. Okay, clear till here, guys? Any doubts? What I've explained? Jagdish, Prasad, and Naveen.
So I don't have any doubts. So it's a starts at 7 a.m. and it completes by 10 a.m. on
Yes.
weekends
Yeah.
and online.
Yeah, 6 hours. Yeah, it's online. Yeah. So 6 hours you'll have to be available for Saturday and Sunday combined. I'm telling. Okay, 3 hours each day.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah. So this is about the duration and all that. Okay. Coming to the syllabus. Okay, we'll start with Python first. Okay. If you can see here, program details. So we are actually using Jupyter notebooks. Okay, for our working purpose and for this course purpose. So I'll walk you through the Python installation part. Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is a IDE, guys. Okay, where you write the code. Okay, the scripting, what we call. IDE is nothing but integrated development environment where a person or developer writes a code. Okay, maintains the code. You can say. There are other IDEs as well, like Visual Studio is there, VStudio. Okay, and PyCharm is there, Spider is there. Okay. So, but for our use, okay, our course will be using Jupyter. Okay. Then I'll walk you through some concepts in Python like variable functions, okay, lambda expressions, loops, some data types like list, tuple, set, etc. And then after this session, once this ends, right, I'll be planning a coding test and assignments also will be given to you guys. Okay, so at the end of the session, every module you can say there will be a test and assignment as well. Okay. Next, we'll have advanced Python. Okay, so here I'll introduce you to few libraries in Python. Okay, like NumPy, Pandas. Okay, here. Okay, and there will be some basic operations like arrays. Okay, indexing, conversion types. Okay, and read and write operations. And then again, you'll have the assignments also. Okay, in between. Group by, pivot table, joins, and concat. So these are all concepts, guys. Okay, in advanced Python, apply function dealing with date and time data. Okay, duplicacies in your data, like that. Missing value treatment. Okay, introduction to these things, series and series operations. Okay, and then we'll move to the assignment and coding test as well. After this, I'll walk you through data visualization, okay, graphical part. So in this, again, you'll have a library called Plotly. There are other libraries as well. Okay. So you can see here scatter plot, line plot, okay, box plot, bar chart, histograms will be there, okay, burn down chart and dashboard as well. Clear? All right. So after this, okay, you'll move to the statistics part. So here some theorems are there, like central limit theorem, measures of dispersion, okay, quartile ranges and all, variance, standard deviation. Okay, these are all calculative measures, okay, as part of your statistics. So multicollinearity, okay, removal detection, and then some assignment also I'll try to cover. Okay. After this, we'll be moving to machine learning. Okay. Like what is machine learning, difference between supervised and unsupervised learning, okay, different applications of machine learning. Okay. And then I'll give you the algorithm part. Okay. First algorithm is linear regression. Okay. Linearity in your data. Then theory of linear regression will see some functions, cost functions, and some projects are assigned. Okay. And then why linear regression will fail also. Okay. Those terminologies also we have to cover. So some validation techniques. Okay. These are metrics. Okay. Yeah. Like for example, linear regression you are seeing, right? Algorithm. So through these measures, you can actually validate the algorithm called linear regression. Okay. Polynomial regression. Then logistic regression, same. Okay, some projects will be there for linear regression, and then you'll have logistic regression as well. Okay, understanding the logistic regression. Okay, and then these are few more algorithms. Okay, decision tree and random forest. And then again, they measures how random forest works, how decision tree works. Okay, some techniques like accuracy, confusion metrics, classification report. Okay, and then some projects as well after this. And again, one more algorithm is k-means clustering. Okay, so these things we'll see, and at the end we'll see the project as well. Okay. So any doubts still here, guys, with the concept, what I've explained? Okay, thanks, Satish. What about Prasad? Can you hear me, Prasad? All right, no worries. Okay. Then we'll get into the deep learning part. Okay. Yeah, so in your chat, guys, see if you have anything to discuss, you can contact the management of DurgaSoft. Okay, you can subscribe them as well on Telegram channel and YouTube channel as well. Okay, it will be really helpful. Okay, just go through the details. Yeah, and apart from this, okay, you'll have just 1 second. Yeah. Okay. So next is deep learning. Okay, so what is deep learning? Some differences between deep learning and machine learning. Okay, how the neural network works, NLP and all. Okay, these all we'll see, like gradient descent, class entropy loss, and also these are some functions we'll see inside the deep learning. And then project work will be carried out. You guys have to submit the project. Okay. Then we'll go for image processing, CNN and computer vision. Okay, one. Okay, guys. So this one will see, okay, image processing, CNN, and computer vision. You'll have the introduction part, okay, of computer vision and introduction to OpenCV. So OpenCV here is a library, okay, in deep learning, guys. Okay, package you can say, pre-written code. Okay, again some image basics, reading and writing the images and videos, normalization techniques. Okay, color mapping, different kinds of transformations. We'll see. Okay, Keras is also a library. Guys. Okay, so we'll see image augmentation. Okay, different kinds of filters, convolution will be there, pooling will be there. Okay, overfitting, dropouts, and finally at the end of the session we'll have the project work to be done, guys. Okay. Next is time series analysis. Okay, what is time series data, resampling, okay, trend, missing value treatment, interpolation, and seasonality. Okay, moving average, time series modeling, and all using different techniques. Okay, and then some project work will be there. Okay. Yeah. And then we'll see some natural language processing techniques, text mining, okay, NLP, tokenization, and stopword removal, okay, and grants. So these are all concepts that we are going to cover as part of NLP, guys. Okay, and then some project work will be covered. Okay. Then we'll move to big data analytics. Okay, Apache Spark, like what is big data? What is Apache Spark? Introduction to big data. Okay, installation now. Clear? And then we'll see some RDDs. Okay, and Spark SQL and data frames concepts, ML libraries concepts, and then finally we'll go for the project work. Okay. Yeah. Next one after this, okay, your data science will be covered. Then we'll move to the AI part. Okay. So in this, we'll see what is the introduction to artificial intelligence. Okay, life cycle, AI versus ML versus DL. Okay, DL is deep learning, Gen AI. Some Python programming, pandas. Pandas is also a library, guys. Okay, in Python. What is machine learning? What is supervised and reinforcement learning? Okay. Some deep learning concepts like introduction to ANN, understanding TensorFlow and Keras. These two are again the libraries, okay, in your Python. Forward propagation, backward propagation, okay, regularization, and CNNs as well. Coming to NLP, you'll have introduction to NLP, history, okay, embedded things in NLP, vectorization, data augmentation, okay, how the parts of speech is handled in NLP. All these concepts will be covered. Okay, sentiment analysis, implementation of RNN and LSTMs. Okay, LLMs, finally, okay, large language models, how it will work, like encoder and decoder, self-attention. Okay, what are the transformers? All these concepts will be covered. Okay, what is LLM? Okay, implementation of transformers, training part like pre-training and fine training, and then LLM applications. And then we'll see the examples with real-time Hugging Face AI chatbot, guys. Okay, that's the AI application you can say. Like what is the introduction part? Okay, what is the ecosystem like of Hugging Face? Okay, and Transformers library, introduction to trainers API. Okay, all these things will cover this. Okay, and then working with LangChain. Okay, Meta's LLM APIs, and then OpenAI as well as prompt engineering as well. Okay, working with Google Gemini. Okay, working with Gen AI apps. Okay, using LangChain, and then introduction to the augmented generation of diffusion and retrieval. Okay, these things we'll try to cover. All right. Okay. And then that was for Gen AI, guys. Okay, and this is for Agentic AI. See. Okay. Augmented generation I've explained, right? Agentic AI will have these things like introduction to Agentic AI, foundation, decision making and planning, learning in agentic systems like reinforcement learning, multi agent RL, okay, goal formation and self-directed behavior, okay, agent alignment and safety as well. And then how the agentic AI is used in the real world examples and all. Okay, and then a project work will be given, so you have to look into these aspects as well. Okay, so this is the course content that we are trying to look into, guys. Okay, any doubts in this one, guys? Anything you wanted to check? Jagdish and Prasad.
And you mentioned in one of the sections on vectorization, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So when we are doing the vectorization, will it be a default vectorizer which other platforms are providing, or we will build a custom vectorizer also as part of the course?
We'll build a custom example as well. Okay, real time. Okay.
And so are the tech stacks we use for this course?
Vector you're asking, Jagdish?
I mean, yeah. So for the vectorization, for the NLP processing, those things.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll be covering the real-time examples, okay, with the code and all. I'll try to include the real-time examples as well, okay, including the theory. Okay.
Any prerequisites for this course, sir?
Sorry.
Any prerequisites?
Like basic understanding is fine, Jagdish. Even if you're not having any understanding of Python or any programming language, right? That's also fine. The basics we are covering here, so it should help you. Okay. If you have the knowledge, that is good. Okay. But even if you don't have, that's fine. We can look into it. Okay.
Okay.
Like understanding of DBMS, database concepts, SQL, and all. Okay. Those are prerequisites. But even if you don't have that, okay, still we can work on. Okay.
Yeah, I come from Java background and Oracle SQL.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good to
I've started this into. I mean,
know.
I've been into this IT industry for 11 years. So.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. That's fine. So yeah, that's fine. Jagdish. These things are there, but normal understanding is required. Okay, because data science is completely about mathematics. Okay, mathematics chapters, that is statistics and probability. Okay, so that way it will be really helpful if you have some understanding of that. Okay, yeah. All right. So first thing is, does full stack data science covers web development or is a development course? Okay, you might have, people will have the doubts, right? You guys might also have the doubt like that. Okay, so data science, guys, okay, that's a different development. You'll write the code, but okay, it is not for building any websites. Okay, like for example, people working on Java side, Java developers or .NET developers, PHP developers, right? Those programmers, okay, they will write the code to develop a website. Okay, that is a different work. Coming to data science, you will write the code, but in terms of doing the analysis. Okay, you're not going to build any websites. Okay, you're not going to design any platforms or websites. Okay, just a normal overview I'm giving what exactly you'll be doing in data science. Okay, so you'll have to deal with the data. The main thing which we focus here is only data, guys. Okay, so you have to do the analysis using Python. Okay, for this course we are using Python programming. Okay, even R is also used for analysis purpose, but R is much more advanced for statistical purpose. Okay, for example, if there are high level or complex level scientific calculations, right? Okay, then R can be used for that, R language. Okay. I hope you're clear, guys. Till here. Any doubts you have? You can let me know. All right. So just give me 1 minute, guys. Be sharing the screen with you. Yeah, guys, let me share the screen. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, hope you can see the screen. So this is the session, okay, for data science, full stack data science with generative AI and agentic AI. So this is possibly we are targeting for 12 weeks, okay, and at a cost of 20,000. Okay, this is done by me. Okay, Syed Ayub. And we are giving a complimentary offer as well, guys. Okay, see, as part of this course, we are providing DURGASOFT Python 170 plus videos you're getting, guys. Okay, for Unix, Linux, and Python scripting, shell scripting, and even MySQL. That is worth rupees 10,000. Okay, so we are not charging anything apart from 20,000. Actually, if you combine this one, this is coming to 30,000 Python, full stack course for Python, right? But we are giving these videos, which are costing around 10,000, absolutely free of cost. Okay, and this is for 6 months access. Okay, so you can avail this one. Okay, it's a very good opportunity and offer. All right, so you can go through those videos and all. It will be really helpful because uh, you'll be able to understand the Python as well. Okay, anyhow, I'm going to cover, but that will be acting as a helpful reference as well. Okay, so this is the complimentary offer that we are giving, or DurgaSoft is giving all of its students. Okay, so this is a complimentary offer, guys. Hope you are clear with that, right? Okay. So DurgaSoft Software Solutions is providing that one. Okay. Clear on any doubts you have, guys? Still here? You can let me know. Any doubts, Jagdish and Prasad?
No, sir, I'm fine.
Okay. Fine. So we'll move to the demo part, guys. Okay. I'll have a document first. Let me. Okay. So we'll take a new document. Okay. Yeah. So first, before getting into the data science, guys, okay, you should understand what is data. Okay. So can any one of you let me know what exactly you understand by data? Prasad and Jagdish. What is your understanding in terms of data? Data is nothing but collection of information, right? Okay, so whatever collection you have in terms of information, that can be termed as data. You agree, guys? Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, data science. It is the study of what scientific methods. Right? Yeah. And processes and algorithms. That is used to extract knowledge. Fact insights means information from unstructured data. Clear? So this will help you to solve the problem. Okay. Clear, guys? This is the definition of data science. Okay, what is data science in simple words? It is a study of scientific methods, processes, algorithms, okay, that is used to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data, okay, which helps in solving problems and making the decisions. Okay, I'll tell you about structured and unstructured data. Okay, unstructured data is nothing but which is not organized. Okay, example, direct column, uh, characters in the data, or missing values, okay, null values, duplicates, right? So this is unstructured data. Okay, clear, everyone? Any doubts here, guys? You can let me know. Jagdish, what about you? Any doubts?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So this is for unstructured data. Okay, and in real time, 99% you will get unstructured data only to analyze. Okay. Next is structured data. This is organized. Organized. So example, plain data. Okay. No. And data science is also a study of algorithms, as I told, right? So algorithms will only accept structured data, guys. Okay, it will not accept the unstructured data. Okay, you cannot feed unstructured data to the algorithm. If you feed and try to run right, it will give you an error. Okay, your results will not be proper. That's the reason you have to make the data structured. Okay, how do you make the data structured? By correcting the column name. Okay, removing the special characters. For example, I'll share you one example here. This is e-commerce customer service. Okay. This is a data set. Okay, data set means it is having some data, right? That is called as data set. So these are in tabular format, rows and columns here, right? These are the rows, these are the columns. So what is the size of your data set? It has 500 rows. And how many columns are there? You have 8 columns. So your size of data set will become 501 or 500 multiplied by 8. Okay, so if anyone asks you, like, what is the size of data set that you have worked or used? So you can calculate like this in Excel. Any doubts?
No, sir.
So this is the sample data set. Okay, I'm giving you an example. This is a real-time data only, okay, but I'm giving an example. So it has email address, okay, of the what is the average session length, time on app, okay, time on website, length of membership, yearly amount spent. So these are some column details. Okay, so you have to do the analysis on this one. Okay. So data science generally will combine. Okay, as I was explaining, right? So data science will combine your mathematics, as I told, right? Computer science and other subjects as well. Like, for example, expertise in domain expert, healthcare or insurance, right? Finance, like that. So these all are termed or used in data science. Okay. Basically, why we use data science is to usage of DSM, writing data science. Okay. As I told, right, it combines math, computer science knowledge, and subject as well, subject expertise you need in order to understand the data, to analyze large data sets. Okay, one example of data set we have seen in Excel just now. Okay, large data sets. And also uncover patterns or hidden patterns. Patterns means, okay, for example, this is a circle, right? So here you're having the data. So this is forming a cluster. Some pattern will be there. Another one is like this. So this is called a pattern. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Just for your understanding purpose. So okay, yeah, we have few more points. So it will uncover the hidden patterns. Okay, in data science. With the help of data science, you can cover hidden patterns, and also it is used to build models or algorithms, you can say. So that is prediction. So I can put the word as build predictive models, algorithms, because data sciences and artificial intelligence both are okay targeting assumptions only. Okay, that means predictions. They only do the prediction work, and also they are used for analysis and all, but main work is prediction. Okay, and this will help you to This helps in guiding actions in some of the fields. Okay, like you can say business, people who want business, healthcare, and marketing as well. Okay, so these are some one. Yeah, guys. Okay. So as I was discussing about this pattern, right, for the data set. So it is used to help in guiding the actions in fields of businesses, healthcare, and marketing. Okay. Clear till here? Or any doubts, guys? Yeah, you can let me know.
Yeah, I'm good, sir.
So some key components I'll explain. Okay. Of data science. Okay. So what are the key components? First is data extraction. How to extract the data extraction, and also you'll have cleaning as well. Okay, because I told, right, you'll get the unstructured data. So after doing the data cleaning only, you can make that unstructured data as structured data. Okay, and then your analysis will be started. It will be getting started. Okay. Data extraction and cleaning. So this will cover Okay. Basically, this is the process, you can say, of collecting the data. Collecting, cleaning as well. Okay. Cleaning, structuring, you can say. Okay, what we have discussed just now, structuring. Okay, and also you have to prepare the data. Okay. One second. Okay, so key components of data science you're discussing, right? Structure and prepare. You have prepared the data sets. Okay. For analyzing purpose or analysis, you get. All right. Understood this point, Jagdish? Hope you are clear.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll just mention here. Next one will be data analysis. Okay, and modeling. So how these things happen actually. Okay. So we'll use few techniques. Okay. I will mention for you. Okay, using techniques like ML, machine learning. Okay. Machine learning. Okay. AI. And also statistical analysis will be there. Through these things only you can do the analysis and modeling. Otherwise, it is very, very hard. Okay. In order to find the patterns. Okay. I'm just writing in my own words, basic understanding for you to have some idea. And you have to create models as well. Okay. So first one we have seen is data extraction and cleaning. So this is process of collecting, cleaning, and structuring the data and preparing the data sets for analysis. Next one is data analysis and modeling. So in this, you'll use a technique or use different techniques like ML, machine learning, AI, artificial intelligence. Okay. And statistical analysis to find the patterns and create models. Okay. Next one will be two things you have seen, components, right? Next is insight generation. Okay. So this will involve insights means information. What information does this data give you or does this data have? Hidden information will be there. Okay. Bad data means like this. Null values like this, blanks or missing values. Null values means like this also, zero or something like that. Missing values means completely blank. So these are all examples of bad data. Okay, what I'm telling you. Clear? I hope.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So inside definition, we were discussing this one is you have to turn the raw data. Okay. So turning raw data. Raw data means this is your raw data. Okay, this is not the clean data. See. Okay, so it will have some errors. Okay, and gaps. So turning raw data, okay, into actionable insights that can be used, okay, to solve problems and informed decisions also you'll be able to make. Clear? So insight generation means you are getting some information here. How? By turning the raw data into actionable insights that can be used to solve problems and inform decisions. Okay. You can take or as both are possible. Okay. So these are important. How you will turn raw data into actionable insights is through statistical process or analysis. Okay, that involves ML and AI. Okay, and the last one is communication. And this is important as well. All above three are also important, and this is also important. So you have to sharing findings, what you have find. Okay, through an analysis of data. So visualization. Visualization means graphs and all. So this data you have to depict in terms of different graphs. I told you in the course content as well, right? You'll have different graphs, bar plot, okay, pie chart, count plot, scatter plot, area plot, like that. So based on those graphs, you'll have some information. Okay. Storytelling. Storytelling means you have to visualize in a tool or you have to tell the insights, what you have found. Okay. You have to explain your findings like a storytelling. Okay. And some other forms of communication. Clear? This way you have to communicate. I hope it's clear, Jagdish. Tell you.
Yeah, sir, it's clear.
Okay, now, why data science is important? Okay, key components you have seen, right? Why DS is important? This question will come. Okay. First, what it will help? It will help you to make informed decisions. Okay, decision making. Next is problem solving as well, right? Because it will solve your business problem, what you're dealing with, and innovation. Basically, it will help the companies to improve its products, improve its sales, okay, better customer experience and all. Okay, all these things. That's why DS is important. Okay. Some examples of data science. In action you can take. So where it applies, your medical diagnosis, some fraud detection if you're going for, like for example, any banking fraud detection happened or any kind of transaction, right? That can also be captured or monitored using data science. Okay, and some recommendations. Clear? Recommendations also are part of it. The core purpose of your data science is to analyze the data, okay, to find the hidden patterns and trends. Okay, that can be used again to make informed decisions. Okay, that's what I have written here. Okay, informed decisions and all. Clear? So how it works means your data scientist will use a mix of techniques, okay, including statistical technique, programming technique, and machine learning AI as well, to process the raw data, okay, and turn it into actionable insights and all. Clear? So
Yes.
what jobs you can look at in data science? Data science field. You can become a data scientist, okay, a data engineer, machine learning engineer, AI engineer or artificial intelligence engineer. Okay. You can become data analyst. Okay. Domain expert as well. So these are some designations, okay, or jobs that you can find in data science. Okay, data science and AI as well. Clear? I hope till here is right.
Yes.
So this was about your data science things and all. Okay, how data science is and all. In one demo, it will be hard. Okay, to explain and get the hold of each and everything. So I'm just giving you some briefs here, okay, about data science and all. Okay, how and how it performs, how the data science life cycle goes and all. Okay, that we can cover in later on sessions as well. Okay. Next is your generative AI. I'll explain you about data science life cycle and then we'll get into the Gen AI part. Okay. Data science life cycle. First one is first point. Identifying problems and understanding the business. Okay. Second one is data collection. Third one is data processing. Okay. Fourth one will be your data analysis. Fifth one will be data model. That means you are building the algorithms. And sixth one will be model deployment. Okay. That means you have to deploy a model in the life. So this is the data science life cycle. Okay. Clear till here, Jagdish? Or any doubts here?
Yes, sir. I'm clear, sir. So for
Next.
all these things, are we using Azure or AWS or any other things, sir? So those things are not
Use
required at
any
this
cloud
point.
services. AWS is good. Azure is also good. GCP is there, right? Google Cloud Platform. I've used a lot. Google GCP as well. I've worked on AWS
Okay.
as well. So any tool is okay.
Okay.
Next is Gen AI. So some introduction on generative AI as well. I will do. So Gen AI is nothing but generative AI. Okay, so you're like ChatGPT is there, right? You might have seen ChatGPT is there, and you have Copilot, right? Gemini is there for Google, right? So all these are falling under your generative AI. Okay. Copilot is a AI power-based assistant, you can say, or chatbot developed by Microsoft. Gemini is for Google. Okay. And ChatGPT, which company? Can you tell?
OpenAI.
Open, right? Okay, that is developed by OpenAI. Clear? So this is OpenAI. Copilot is developed by Microsoft. Okay, and Gemini is developed by Google. Okay, so these things are actually connected with the GenAI. Okay, they're falling under the umbrella of GenAI. See, artificial intelligence, AI, I'm telling, that is the advanced part. Okay, it's like an umbrella. Inside your AI, you'll have data science. Okay, and inside your data science, you'll have ML. Again, in ML, you'll have DL, deep learning, machine learning, and deep learning. And apart from that, in AI, you'll have Gen AI and Agentic AI. Okay, that's how the hierarchy goes. Okay, hope I'm clear.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just divide like this. AI will be there. Okay. After AI, you will have ML. Okay. In ML, you will have DL as well. Okay. And you guys have to attend three to four demos. Okay, to understand all the things and all demo sessions. Okay, this is just the starting one. Okay. And inside DL, again, you'll have Gen AI. Okay. Gen AI and Agentic AI as well. Okay. So I hope you're clear till here, right?
Sir, where exactly this RAG architecture, those things will come, sir? In this hierarchy.
It will be in your deep learning and AI as well. Okay, RNN and CNNs, neural networks, LangChain, Meta APIs, and all, right? I have walked you through those course content, right? So that will be covered. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So one such example will be, you can say, machines, right? So machines can learn upon its own, right? That's the reason we are learning as machine learning, the terminology. So on its own, it can work provided it is programmed, right? So what they will understand is human behavior. Okay, how the humans work and all. So one such example I can take is driverless cars. You might have heard of this one, right? Driverless cars. Okay. So this one, what exactly it will be doing here? So these all three terminologies are there, right? These are your representing labeled data. Labeled data. Okay. That means it has certain information. Okay. And these three, these AL, AI, ML, DL, they are connected to the label data only. Okay. Clear? Okay. So that's how it will work. So one such example is this driverless cars. Here, right? So for example, let me unselect this one. Nowadays you are seeing humans driving the cars and all, right? But in certain parts of the world, there is driverless car option as well. Okay, there will be a 360 degrees camera. Okay, that will be installed on the device or car. Okay, and there will be different devices as well, like for example, heat generation. Okay, heat analyzer, and different screenshots capturing things and all. So once there are two scenarios. One is with the person and one is without person. So we'll look into the person first. Okay, so he will be sitting into the car. Okay, and he will be entering the destination where he wants to reach. And he'll not drive the car. Okay, he'll just sit. He'll put his seat belt. He'll just sit in the normal manner, and he will program the process. So once the process starts, okay, he will navigate through different routes. Okay, there will be signals, okay, and everything will be captured. See, this is the process of collection of the data. That 360 degrees camera is capturing screenshots, images, videos, noises, right? The paths, everything is there. So in order to analyze, for example, if the car is stopping at a signal, how it will come to know you have to stop at a signal if he sees the green line, red light, right? And once the red light turns to green light, the car immediately will start off again. So all this information is getting captured and getting fed to the algorithm. Okay, that is your data science. This is, and finally at the end, the person will reach his destination. Okay, this is with person I'm telling. Without person means there is no one in the car. Okay, you just have to program it with the remote access, or even while you're present beside the car also it can happen. So you have to just program and it will start on its own and it would reach the destination same way. Okay, so this is one example I'm telling. Another example, okay, loan department. Okay, so there will be approval of the loans, right? Loan approvals will be there. Okay, and rejections also will be there. So how to approve and reject the loans? It will be again programmed with the AI and machine learning data set. So automatically, if you submit certain details about your CIBIL score or about the past loan details and all, or your educational and working employment details, so based on that, a score will come and the loans will automatically get approved or rejected. Okay. For example, they will see the factors like age, okay, your salary, right? Your this amount, how much amount it has to be given for loan. Okay. And duration, how much duration, and the finally status, whether it is rejected or approved. Okay. So that way you'll be able to understand, okay, system is asking me these details and I have to give it as per the requirements. Okay. So based on these findings, okay, based on these findings, your loan will get approved or rejected. So this is coming by all machines only. Machines is doing the work, right? Machine is doing the work here, right? Computer system. You agree, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So this is about the one example. So all this is coming from your machine learning, you can say. Machine learning inputs. So I can write like this, right? ML inputs will be there. So it will have some insights, information. So based on this information, it will process some data to the machine. Okay. Here you will have some mathematical operations done, right? Calculations and all. So calculations will happen, and finally you will get the ML output, machine learning output. Okay. In terms of this one. So this is directly connected to this. You're getting the output with this one, right? Okay, that's the. This is about machine learning. So this is also inspired with the human brain only. Okay, like this.
Okay. Okay.
Inspired with the human brain only. Even your machine learning as well. Okay, clear? So
Okay. Okay.
we'll take this one. Okay. So your DL is also inspired from human brain. So they will learn from human brain. Okay. And they will make the predictions and actions. Okay. So human brain, from this, what it will be happening is you will get neural networks. Okay, let me write it down. Those are also part of your DL. Okay. And again, after the neural networks, okay, what you'll have is you can get ANN, CNN, and RNNs. You'll get. Okay. ANN, CNN, RNN. These are part of your deep learning and all. These are concepts. Okay. Basically, your DL or artificial intelligence is like a human brain. That way it will be. Okay. And then finally, this all will be coming under your Gen AI. Okay. Gen AI. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
There will be networks. So I'll cover that, okay, in next demo class. Okay, because it's almost 11, right? So we'll stop here. Okay. Hope you're clear, right? With the concepts and all what I've covered till as part of demo demo for data science.
Yes, I'm clear, sir. So will, the next class will be also on the demo, sir, or like.
So yeah, you have to go through few demos. Okay, 1-2 demos, and then once you are okay with that, okay, then you have to do the registration as well.
Okay.
Yeah. So because in one demo it is not possible to cover all. The concept is very big, right? For full stack data science and AI as well. So I've walked you through data science and Gen AI also, but still certain points are there. So we'll try to see that in next class.
Okay.
So any questions you have, Jagdish?
Okay. So the next class will be the demo, and after that, the actual class will start next weekend, sir, or how is it?
Yeah, it will be for suppose if Saturday's demo is completed, right? So next Sunday you'll have the class.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, because demo is also important, right? To understand the basics and all. So that's the reason.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Immediately, if
my
I
requirement.
all the points and all, right, you'll not be able to understand.
Okay. Sir, actually, I joined this course because to learn something. See, because in my current project, we are doing a lot of these things, are like feeding certain knowledge to the Azure AI search, and then retrieving the details from that one, and then analyzing the data from a Databricks Mosaic AI or something. So, like that, we have done. So, all those topics will be covered in this course, or how is it? Or do you have to
Like
for
I have
any?
walked you through the course content, right? That will be shared with you. Okay, so
Okay.
that will be covering actually. Okay, and let's see if any other possibilities there. We'll try to let you. Okay? But mostly you stick to the course that has been designed. It will be shared with you. Okay, management will look into that, and you can see in chat also. Okay, the details are there. You can subscribe to Telegram and YouTube channel as well. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Fine. Okay. Thanks, Jagdish, for joining for today's demo
Yeah.
session.
Thanks. Thanks, sir. Yeah,
As
thanks,
it
sir.
is Sunday, right? So I'll not take up much time. Already it's more
Yeah.
than 1 hour and a half, right? So it's a demo. So I just walked you through the high level understanding of data science and artificial intelligence. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
in
Thank
next
you so
class,
much.
in next demo class, we'll try to cover the remaining part as well. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Thanks for joining, Jagdish. Okay.
Thanks. Thanks, sir.
See
Thanks,
you
sir.
in next demo class. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks. Sir.